What's going on?
Hey, what's up, man? I like your hair. Let's start there. I ain't gonna worry but up from there.
There's a woman, she's like, I don't know, you'll see her, but she's off her rocker, or she's drunk.
He was sitting on the steps and she picked him up and tossed him in the pool.
She tossed your kid in the pool?
She was basically like,
no idea how to
being
swim.
weird, like, you know, annoying us, but we were like being nice to her. And then
she came and
sat down. With toys, and she was like,
she came and sat down by him, he was sitting, took him and tossed him into the pool. And then she admitted it and said it doesn't matter. Said, he wasn't upset. He doesn't seem to care.
I'd say, man, please go over there, leave us alone. And she just kept.
She's like, I was thrown in the pool and I'm fine.
Really
touched other people's kids.
Okay.
And then she took some goggles from my son
and threw him.
And just threw him. And then when I asked her to get him, she's like, you can get him. I'm like, no.
He doesn't know how to swim.
She's still in there.
Yeah.
So obviously, I'm gonna go talk to her.
Yeah. You'll find out a lot.
I'm gonna do my investigation. But would you want to press charges for her throwing your kid in the pool?
I mean, I don't really care, but like I care.
I just want to know if she lives here.
I just don't want her to know who we are.
We're gonna figure all that out. But
but we think there might be some mental instability.
Yeah, we'll evaluate her for that. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
So what's going on today?
Yeah. You might want to get their story, or did you get that already?
I talked to them a little bit, but now I'm just trying to get your side of the story.
Well, I'm heading home. You want to meet me at our house?
No, we could just talk right here.
All right, what do you got to say? What do you want to ask?
I just want to know what's going on.
What do you mean what's going on? I don't know what's going on. What do you tell me?
All right, let me give you the information I have, and then we'll see if you could help me piece together everything, right? So basically, they're saying that without permission, you took their child and threw him in the pool.
I tossed him in the pool a couple feet, yeah. Yeah, is that like wrong? Is that a law against that?
Yeah, well, you can't like grab other people's children.
Yeah, well, I wasn't doing it. I didn't do it with bad intentions. If if you had bad intentions, maybe we could have something happening.
Okay, but you can't grab other people's children and throw them in, especially an infant, and throw them in the water.
What do we do now? Do we lock me up in jail? Throw me away?
Well, I want you to explain what's going on a little bit more, because I mean,
there's really no explanation.
Do you understand?
I don't have anything to explain.
Do you not understand what happened?
You did that?
Well, for fun.
For fun, but it's not your child.
That was okay with them?
Actually, no, I didn't actually get free permission. Did you get permission from your parent to come out here today and talk to me?
I did actually.
Well, you did? Oh, did you?
No, I didn't.
Oh, was she?
But this is my job.
Oh my gosh, you know.
But I'm a grown man.
Oh my God, you broke the law.
But I'm a grown man.
But there's law about that. It doesn't matter whether you're grown or not.
I'm not grabbing other people. Can I speak?
Wait, is there a law?
Can I speak?
Is there a law?
It's called battery, right? You committed battery against the...
So you locked me up?
Okay, ma'am. How about this? Do you have your ID on you? Can we start that? I don't know.
No,
I don't know what your name is.
I do not have my
Okay, what's your
ID.
name then? N.
Yeah, put another E before the N.
So EEN.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You know what? Do we really have to do this? This is like crazy. Talk to them a little more. I mean, I don't think that they have...
Eileen, what's your last name, Eileen?
You know what? I'm sorry. I don't really think they have a complaint.
Eileen, what's your last name?
Complaint. You really want to do this?
Eileen, what's your last name? I do.
Okay.
What's your middle name?
Why?
What's your middle name?
Why do I know it?
I need to know it to identify
Why
you.
do I... Oh, well, you know what? You don't...
Ma'am, look, I'm Sergeant Cavis with the Sheriff's Office. I'm one of the supervisors. You put your hand on a kid against their will. That is a crime in this...
I did not know.
I'm talking. I'm talking.
You people. All right. Thank you, folks. Look what you're doing. Look what you've done.
No, ma'am, you did this yourself. They didn't even want to press charges, but we got to identify you. So you're at least going to jail for resisting now? You want to play games? This is what you get, okay? What's the Foxtrot Security? Hey, you're primary, right?
Yeah. Keep walking, come on. Going back here. Have a seat.
To re-deliver release equipment on the 1500.
Sit.
I'm sitting.
You have to put your legs
I don't want to get in this
You're
car.
going all the way in the car.
I do not want to get in this car. You know this. I don't want to get in this car.
Okay. And I don't want to come to work some days, but I still do.
Well, you don't have to do it. You know what? You don't need. What do you do it for? Why do you come?
Protect the little kids like that.
Oh, you know what? He was not.
All right,
he was not in danger. He was not in danger.
I got it. You have your camera on?
Yeah, should be. You blinking?
Yes. Hey, did you see what happened over here?
I caught the tail end of it. My 16-year-old and my 10-year-old were here.
Okay.
And when I walked up, my 16-year-old said, "Hey, she took our goggles and just threw them."
She took y'all the goggles too?
Yeah, just threw them. And I said, "Man, when you grab my son's goggles, well, he can get them himself." I said, "Well, he can't swim. That's why he's in the shallow end."
Okay.
She's like, "Oh, he can't swim." I'm like, "No, ma'am."
Okay.
He can't." And she just kind of got up in everybody's face. Just, you know,
Okay.
man, I thought
Okay,
she's mentally unstable
Okay.
or something like that.
I think that's where we're at right now.
Yeah. So look,
We're gonna do investigate. It might fit the statute for robbery by sudden snatching by her taking the goggles and chucking them, depriving him of his property. Are you interested in pursuing charges for that, or do you want to just see if we get her evaluated?
Just
Okay.
get her some help and get her away from my kids.
Okay. All right. All right. Sounds good.
Something wrong.
Delta 221.
Hey, excuse me. Let me out of here, please.
Try to turn around and catch up
Can't
to
do
it.
that right now. I'm sorry.
10-4. 314 is going to be in the...
Please unlock my door. I'd like to get out of here, please. Let me
Can't do that
out.
right now.
Why? Why?
I'll tell you in a second. All right.
No, tell me now.
Just give us.
A second's over.
Delta 221, flag 106528. Vehicle just past the 10-4.
Hey,
Indian 62.
All right, Elaine.
let me out of here, please.
Northbound in front of Blake Taylor.
Nope, so you
Drop me off at my house. I live just down the street.
You're being arrested for resisting without violence. Okay.
And what will be the great outcome about this all? What is the purpose of it all?
Because you committed a crime.
What is the crime?
Resisting without violence.
What's the other crime? Is there no other crime?
That's the only crime.
Why is that a crime? Why is that a crime, sir?
Because.
Because what? You know, exactly tell me why. I don't know that's a crime. Tell me why you think it's a crime.
I mean, is there anybody that lives with you that can pick up your bike?
You know what? Why can you tell me why it is a crime to resist without violence?
We're on the phone with St. John's.
Can you tell me why? What?
When you come out, you're gonna turn around, and I'm gonna put my
I'll
handcuffs
turn
on.
around. Okay, yeah.
Alright.
My handcuffs are on me already.
We're gonna put his handcuffs on you. I'm gonna take.
Why?
I want my handcuffs back.
Delta
These are
313.
his handcuffs, alright?
All right.
Hey, do you folks really think who's this complaint? Who's complaining here? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Excuse me. Why is this happening?
Well, you're going to jail for resisting us.
For resisting what? I didn't
Our
resist anything.
investigation. So.
You know what? Of course I wouldn't resist. Why should I like agree to this? I'm not agreeing to this.
Okay. All right. You have a good one now.
A good at what? A good what? What do I have a good what at?
A good day. I want you to have a good day.
I'm not having a good day, sir. If you want me to have a good day, you shouldn't not let your buddy put these other cuffs on me.
Okay.
How can anybody have a good day putting it?
In the car. Back into the car. Come on, the back of the car.
I don't want to do
Target units on
this.
Rivertown, status check.
You don't have to.
I am resisting. Let me know. I am resisting this arrest. I want you to know that. I am resisting.
Alright, we're just gonna leave your bike here since you don't wanna...
You know, I am resisting this arrest. I want you to know that. And my bike is here, fine. I'm not worried about it because I live in a good, safe neighborhood and it's going to be just fine. Just leave it. Take me to jail if you have to, you asshole. I am resisting this arrest, yes. Put that...
Delta 214.
So you can't, like, charge me with resisting arrest because I'm not resisting this arrest. So just leave me right here, you know? Why bother going through all this bullshit? I resist this arrest. You understand, sir? Hey, you know what? On the way to the lockup, can you stop by my house? It's right around the corner. And let my husband know if he's probably aware already, but let's just do this. Right around the corner, sir.
Final stop will be Circle K.
I'm not stopping anywhere besides the jail.
Oh, fine. And then what do I do there? Get a phone call to call him and let him know? Duh. What do I do at the jail, sir? What do I do? Sit there for what? How long? Whatever. You know what? Maybe you should have this done to you someday. And then, you know what? I'm sure you would quit your job. You wouldn't do this to others.
I don't commit crimes.
Well, you know what? I didn't commit a crime either, sir. But you're committing one right now. You know that. It's called kidnapping. It's called, like, holding somebody against their will. That's what it is, and that should be a crime. And if it's not, then whatever. Then you're innocent. I'm innocent too. We both are. I might get tased. Have you ever been tased before? Oh, you have? Just in training, right? But not, you know what, not when locked up. You like being tased? Did you like it?
No.
Okay, well, you know what? I don't like it either. And you know what? It happened to me too.
Don't commit a crime.
But not with my consent. Maybe you consented to it, and it was fine for you and all fun and games. But you know what? I don't want to be locked up. Maybe you do for fun and games, but I don't like it. It's not my idea of a good time. Just so you know. I can't believe someone could get put into jail. What if that was my own child and I tossed him in the pool? Can I get arrested? What? No? Or yes? Toss him 2 feet away from me. I wasn't trying to kill the child. I mean, why would you have to bother me over this? What's going on? Can you do that and drive, really, sir? Isn't that, like, illegal to text and drive? Isn't that against the law? We're both breaking laws here, aren't we? I broke some kind of law. I don't know, the law about tossing a baby into a pool? Really?